stuff like this, you will paint that as well? You put them diagonal. And stuff like this, you will paint that as well?
Every single bit on the bench here.
Yeah.
Is touching up.
Why don't these, why don't...
You have it already. B1 big pop dead centre. Ready. Keep going. Good. Where's that?
Again. One more. Right, half of that. That's the pointer's width before, Pete. Half of that, Mark. That's on it.
See, that goes through.
Yeah.
To clip in, I'll just do that like that.
And this is the hydraulics.
This is the hydraulics for the starboard side undercarriage. She says, oh no, that's the cross valves. Sorry, that goes that way. On, does go that way. Would have come there. Go
And
on
you can
that
use
side.
all these parts. They're all serviceable, are they?
No, they're unserviceable at the moment. My next job is to start removing all the bushes, flanges, nuts, bolts, etc. Getting them cleaned up of any corrosion, actually seeing what we can and can't reuse.
Oh, I see.
We don't anticipate being able to reuse much of the piping.
No.
But hopefully all the joins, the valves, that sort of thing, we will be able to reuse again. That one goes there. Okay, so with this, what I've had to do is this is the actual drawing, and I've had to go through the system itself, work out what bits we do have present. So everything highlighted in green is now on the table, and the bits in orange are the bits that we don't have, either because they're missing or the bits that are only applicable to the port side.
I see.
Because
yes.
certain bits aren't on both of them. And then we've gone through and just made a list of what we do and don't have, so that we can refer to that from now on, and hopefully things will be good. So there's no time limit on this job. It's a slow job to make sure that everything's correct. So I've got one more bit to get off this stay pipe at the end, and hopefully I can now start ripping it all apart, getting all the individual wee bits off and getting them cleaned up.
Yeah. And of course this is what, 70 years old, the age of the aircraft?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
Like a knife.